Alright, so we're trying out the new gimbal. Just walking around doing some testing. Some kind of event going on down here at Silverbluff.
It looks like it's some motorcycles.
Right, motorcycles and stuff.
Those motorcycles were smart.
Huh?
That was in handy.
Yeah.
I stopped her. Look at all the cycles, y'all. Look, that one's really cool. I like that one.
A lot of motorcycles. There's like a motorcycle show out here. We're at Silverbluff. We're downtown Brunswick. Got a few old cars. Got the Peru truck down here. Other stuff going on right now.
Long nose at Silverbluff. Thank y'all so much. Appreciate y'all.
Oh, it's
Oh
so
my goodness.
fucking hot.